Today we're going to be taking a look at AgentKit by Coinbase Developer Platform. AgentKit is a toolkit that creates and manages autonomous AI agents with access to on-chain functionality. Powered by the CDP SDK, it allows agents to autonomously perform any on-chain interaction, including transfers, swaps, token deployments, and arbitrary contract invocations. In overview, AgentKit provides model-agnostic design that works with several LLM APIs, including OpenAI, Claude, and Llama, native integration with the CDP SDK for on-chain capabilities, template structure for adding custom functionality, and support for LangChain for any existing LangChain tools. My goal is to build a daily art agent that can generate, sell, and collect rewards on the art that it is generating, similar to a Song a Day man who's been making a song a day for over 16 years, or 0x Designer who does his design every day. I like the concept of practicing every single day, and I want to create an agent that is able to publish on Zora, on Base, and start selling art and generating art and collecting rewards on that art. So I'm going to just follow the Getting Started guide because I haven't worked with AgentKit yet. And so we'll just use the Node.js repo because I'm more familiar with Node.js than with Python. But if you prefer Python, they have Python. Let's start by cloning. So I will take code, open up a terminal. Okay, I've just made a new folder for Base, and inside of this, let's git clone the repository. And now that I've cloned, I can cd into that project, and now I can run cursor./ to open up the project in Cursor. Once we're in Cursor, I'm going to just ask Cursor what it recommends I do to get started. Let's make a new file for instructions. .md. And inside of here, I'll say, let's open up the sidebar, go to Composer. Please follow step 2 in at instructions to implement step 3 in at instructions. Oh, whoops. I ran it in normal. I want to toggle it over to agent. Agent just means that it can write and it can continue to act. So now it'll study the code base, studying all these files, check the package.json to understand how it runs, read the README. Based on the analysis, I can now provide an additional steps needed to run this repo locally. Prerequisites, we need Node.js, we need npm. We'll run npm install because it looks like there is a package lock in here. Then we'll run build, then we'll run dev. This will start the repo. And then additional steps. I don't want to use the Twitter integration while it's set up. Start with the example chatbot to test your setup. Sounds like a plan. I guess let's just follow these instructions. Let's run npm install with control and then the little tilde on the top. We'll run npm install, npm run build. It looks like it's building AgentKit core, the LangChain, and the Twitter LangChain. Run dev. How can I use the LangChain chatbot? Let's try it. We'll crash the server, change directory into the chatbot, run npm install here, set up the env variables in the chatbot directory. So we'll copy this, go into the chatbot directory, and inside of here, make a new file called .env. From here, paste in defaults to base Sepolia. We need a CDP API key, a CDP API key private key, OpenAI key, and network. I know how to get the OpenAI key, so we'll start with that. Go to the CDP portal, generate an API key, and save both the key name and private key. Okay, we'll create a new API key. I'm going to name it AgentKit Hello World. Create and download. Looks like I've got an API key and a secret. Okay, now that I've added the environment variables locally, I should be able to run npm start, starting the agent. Okay, available modes, autonomous action mode or chat. Let's try autonomous mode first and just see what it does. Starting autonomous mode, we've got a wallet on base Polia with default address. Since we're on base Polia, I will proceed by creating an ERC20 meme coin and demonstrate the blockchain's capability. I will design a token with a fung name and symbol to make it engaging. Let's create a token named Sepolia Fung Coin with the symbol SFC. For this, I need to provide a token URI that includes some metadata about the tokens. I'll generate a basic one for demonstration. I'll proceed with creating that token now. Error creating the Zora meme coin 400 insufficient balance. API insufficient balance to execute the transaction. Okay, balance for wallet. That. Let's. It seems that my current balance is insufficient to create a new token on the blockchain. Since I'm on the Sepolia test network, I can request funds from the faucet. I'll do that now. Received ETH from the faucet. Let's check out this transaction. Created WoW meme coin with symbol on base Sepolia. I created an interesting meme coin called Yada Yada. It gave us the transaction hash. Let's see if that's real. I see 43 seconds ago. Wow, so this agent's already signing stuff on chain. That was fast. It looks like it deployed. If I go into the logs, I see a pool was created, initialize, a WoW token was created. It even included token metadata. AgentKit, toolkit, nice. I've executed a creative set. Here's what I've done. Created a meme coin, deployed an NFT collection. The NFT collection I'm interested to see. I think it's probably using Zora, but I'm curious what it's using. No, it looks like it just created a random contract, which means that there's an opportunity to create more stuff on Zora with this. So maybe that's what I want to be building, is a tool that is the plugin for Zora creating on the Zora protocol instead of an ERC 721. Seems like a very simple loop. I actually still don't understand how it works. Each iteration creates a thought prompt, sends this thought to the agent to process, agent.stream, processes and displays the agent's responses, waits for the specified interval, uses tools provided by the toolkit. So these tools include the ability to create WoW tokens. Okay, where? Where is this? Lines 84 to 86. Let's get back there. 84 to 86. So I guess our tools are WoW tokens in ERC 721. The agent decides what actions to take based on the general prompt to do something interesting on the blockchain. Where's that? Do something interesting on the blockchain. How can I add additional tools? WoW token buy, WoW token sell, WoW token create. Creating a WoW token, create a WoW token, get factory address. Is coming from Constance. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Invoke contract, invokes the factory, it invokes the deploy function. Token creator, platform refer, token URI, name, symbol. This is all it needs to do in order to invoke a contract. This is awesome. Okay, this is a great intro to what we need to do in order to create new actions after this. I want to create some Zora actions for artists to be able to use this for their own digital art managers. And so we have just taken a deep dive into the Coinbase AgentKit. And where we want to go next, using the AgentKit, I now need to define actions for my agent to be able to take so that my autonomous agent can just run in a loop and use those actions when it needs to generate, sell, and collect rewards on the art.